previous session, we have implemented the Swagger documentation. In this session, we shall implement Eureka Service Registry. So for that, we need to create a new project. You can create it from start.spring.io as I showed in my previous video, but in this case, I am creating this project directly from IntelliJ. So I can keep the project name Retail Bank Service Registry, and I give the group name D2T. Artifact ID is fine. Then next, and here I select DevTools, Lombok and Spring Web, and the most important one is in Spring Cloud Discovery, Eureka Server. Okay, so these four we need now. Eureka Server was the key one that we'll use for Eureka Server Service Registry. Now, let Maven set up this project, and it will take some time, and it's done. So let's quickly go to main resources and delete the static as template. We don't need this one now. Let's rename the application.properties to application.yml. And quickly add few properties here. One is server.port, and we keep the port number. So 8761 we are giving. This is standard port that we use for Eureka Service Registry, but you can give any port. Now we need to give few things. We give the application name, say Retail Bank Service Registry. You can give any name of your choice. Now we need to add few properties specific to Eureka, and it will be Eureka client, then register with Eureka, we give it false because we are telling that Eureka server no need to register itself in the service registry. And fetch registry also we keep it false. And here we give server, and then we give wait time sync is 0. So these are the few properties we need to add. Yeah, I think this is enough for us. Now let's quickly go to our main application class, and here we need to add one annotation. Enable Eureka server. So that's it. Our Eureka Service Registry server is ready. So let's recap quickly. One thing, we have added Netflix Eureka server. It comes from org Spring Cloud. And since we are using Spring Cloud, so there is a dependency management here and Spring Cloud version. And we need to add our Spring Cloud version here. We need to make sure that Spring Boot and Spring Cloud version are compatible with each other. Otherwise, it may cause a problem. After that, we need to add an annotation, enable Eureka server in our service registry main application. And then in application.yml, we need to add few properties related to Eureka. So these are the three things we need to do. Now let us build our application. So our application is started. And now let us run the application. So we quickly go to the browser and access our application. here and we need to give localhost 8761, our port number, and this is our Eureka Service Registry. It's up and running. So no instance has been registered now, but we shall make changes in our retail banking application and we shall register this in Service Registry. Ignore the warning that it is showing because we are running single instance of Eureka, hence we are getting this error. Now in the next session we shall add few Eureka client dependency in our retail banking application and we register it here.